Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. B, D, E, F are points on the circle with center being O. ABC is a tangent to the circle. ODC is a straight line. BOE is the diameter of the circle. Angle BCD is given as 48 degrees. Find the angle of DFE, which is over here. Let's write that as X for simplicity. And we can see here that angle EOD is simply 2x. So if we can find 2x, we can find out what x is. Notice how ABC creates a perfect tangent to the circle. That must mean that angle EBC is a right angle. Why? Because it's a normal. It's perfectly perpendicular to ABC. And notice how this makes a triangle over here. So if we're able to find this angle, we can find what 2x is. So the sum of all the angles inside a triangle is simply 180. And here we have 90 minus 48. We can find this angle. So if we pull out the calculator, 180 minus 90 minus 48 is equal to 42. Equal to 42. So if this is 42, we see here that EOB creates a perfectly straight line, or in other words, 180 degrees. So we can simply subtract again. 180 minus 42 will give us this entire angle. So if we pull out the calculator again, 180 minus answer is 138, equal to 138. Now that we found this, which is 2x, we can say that this is equal to 2x. We divide both sides by 2 to find x. This cancels out. And if we use the calculator one last time, 138 divided by 2 is simply equal to 69. Nice. 69 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.